cook na. Happy Friday, everyone! Paglanggam na oh. Birds. Okay sila. Lots of birds.
Oh.
What's your name, Ezekiel? Contest na sila kuan.
You're gonna get a brain freeze. Your brain's gonna freeze if you drink too much.
I think it's just kidding. I don't know if there's something there.
I think it's just by
How about Matthias? Matthias turn na pud na. Brother turn. What na? Wata burger. Ano model sa wata burger? Hi. Hi, hi pa.
Oh. No, you split those, okay?
They're not here. Arrange na. Mine is a sweet and spicy bacon burger. Okay.
There's ketchup for both of you, okay? It's hot.
It's a beautiful sunset.
It hurts your eye.
Yeah, when it's too bright. Now let's watch out for deer here. Last time there's a deer, yeah, Dad?
Not over here.
Here at
But
Jessica's.
over the other way.
Yeah, the other.
Possum.
Oh, this is different way, Manay.
What's a possum? What?
Going slow. Wait till we get to the top of this next hill. This next hill will probably be a nice deer view.
Yeah. Very, very nice. Very beautiful sunset. Oh, that's pretty. Head to down now, huh? Sun.
Trees are still.
He goes, "What'd you get out of it?" I said, "God." He said, "No, no, no. What'd you get out of it?" I said, "God." He starts talking to me about how to read the Bible. And he tells me, like, he said, "You know, it's like your first Snickers from commissary." He said, "You take a bite." And then he said, "You know how you taste it."
Wow, and Luis have a Christmas tree na mga bibi dawi. Hala, who's this? Who's that? Who's this? Si Mami. Si Mami, where are you? Are you? Wow, did you help Mommy to decorate your Christmas tree, Eloise? Eloise, you help your mommy? Yeah? Wow, so nice. Is that the Christmas ball? Picture na mga bibi. Cheese bin yan, tibi. Cheese. Lo, cheese. See daw, cheese? Cheese? Cheese. Lo, no na mag-cheese Eloise. Batak na namin Ezekiel. Cheese na ba? Cheese. Cheese. Ay, gara bata. What you guys doing?
Oh.
Uncle is heating up the chicken, Eloise. Uncle is heating up the chicken. Cheese na, Bi? Wala ko saan sa cheese. Saan kayong cheese ni Eloise? What sila diri? Nice kay ilang ko Si cheese mo diri, Bi? Oh, nag-holding hands pa. Holding hands. Oy, like Mary daw. Hi, Ezekiel, you're mean. Ezekiel, mag-picture mo ni brother, oh. Sige, cheese. Hoy! Hoy! Hello, Miss Cheese! Eloise, eat na your food, Eloisa. Hi. We're watching. Hi, Uncle. Hi, Uncle naman. Who's that? Uncle Jeremy. Watching the flow. Pay attention pa sa ulo ko. Kanami sa lida, bantay mo sa mong baby daw. Yeah?
What'll I do? Don't let your mom call the rangers, please.
There's a fox in there. Nice. Go sit down na, oh. Nag-start ng movie, Ezekiel. Ano sila matapok? Tapok. Hello. Mommy, give me space. Spasyo. Ay, hello.
Bare necessities, that's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities of life. Now when you pick a paw or a prickly pear, and you prick a raw paw, well next time beware. Don't pick the prickly pear with a paw. When you pick a pear, try to use the claw. But you don't need to use the claw when you pick a pear with a claw. Have I given you a clue? Come on, Maggie, get to the bait. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Come to you. Let's scratch that old left shoulder right there. Mowgli. There, right there. That's it. Oh, beautiful. That's good. Kid, we've got to get to a tree. This calls for some big scratching.
Dance na po sila, dance.
Delicious.
You guys are funny. Matthias, you're funny. Whoop. Good job, guys. Dancing sila ba? Dancing.
Try and relax. Yeah. Cool. All apart in my backyard. Because let me tell you something, little wretched. If you act like that bee,
You guys gonna get dizzy.
you'll work. Spend your time.
Ay, nako. Ay, dizzy na si Matthias. Be careful na ka. Oy, dizzy na si Louis. Si Louis, dizzy na. Oy! Dizzy na ang bata. Ah! You guys are crazy. Whoop! Ah, be careful, Matthias. Oy, dizzy na si Louis. Oy!
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.